Howdy. Howdy. Howdy.
Bada boom.
We're gonna talk about how I overcame anxiety. Whoa! Alright guys, I'm gonna take it from here because I'm pretty sure that I'm the most stable out of the three of us. Pretty sure you're not. Pretty sure you're taking Time Bomb, but whatever. So, stop eating dairy. I know it's crazy how I'm like some random person on the internet telling you that dairy causes anxiety. But at this point, all you gotta do is stop eating it for 1 week and then try and have an ice cream cone and you'll see what I mean. For real though, you need to be scared of all that processed foods and white flour and GMO corn. And most definitely GMO soy. Do you have any evidence to back up those claims? Oh, like you don't know what I'm talking about. No, I don't have any evidence, but if you're gonna be hard-headed about it, then it's cool, because you get to deal with the consequences. Okay, step 2 is to pay attention to your tone of voice and your body language. Okay, lately I've been having this thing to where I force myself to have really relaxed body language and a really relaxed tone of voice. I just want to point out here that I only do this when I'm feeling anxious and not like at all times. Yeah, because when I need to focus, I have erect and alert body language. And it symbols for my brain to concentrate. I have so many issues that I need to creatively solve. So yeah, I hope I solved your problem. I know it's not always that easy. Sometimes it's just like you have waves crashing down on you. Every ounce of you just wants to hide under a rock. You know, when you're having a full-blown panic attack and you're scared that someone's gonna notice and get kind of freaked out, like, whoa dude, you need to chill. Everyone just feels so far away and a part of me wonders if they're dying inside too and they're just pretending to be relaxed. Oh yeah, trust me, I know. Don't fight it, man. Sometimes you just gotta embrace your inner crazy. Here are some tips for those days when you just can't shake the anxiety. If you can, then just find one spot to sit in. Try not to sit across from people, try to sit next to them. You can be surveying the room. Sit in an odd way. You know, like sit crisscross applesauce in a chair, or slouch, or like scoot your butt forward. Sitting in a relaxed posture will release calming brain chemicals. Stop trying to focus on looking approachable, and try to focus on looking relaxed. Fake it till you make it. When you are feeling a certain way, you're occupying a particular plane. For example, when you're happy, you occupy a happy plane. So then you're gonna get along with others who are on the happy plane and you're gonna attract the things that come to the people on the happy plane. When you're on a relaxed plane, then you will bond with people who are relaxed and you will attract relaxing things, which will further make you feel relaxed. Always remember, you attract what you emanate. Alright guys, stay peaceful. Also, check out the most relaxing music imaginable. It's a song on YouTube and it's like, I don't know who made this song, but I've never heard anything like it. I love you. Openly relaxed. Lately I've been making a point, foods and white corn and all you gotta do is always remember that you would just remember that pretty sure you're not.